Imagine a world where you never have to choose between professional cinema quality and the freedom of flying without a license. For years, the sub-250-gram category was seen as the beginner's bracket. But today, everything we thought we knew about small drones is being shattered. Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you've been holding off on buying a new drone, or if you're currently rocking a Mini 4 or the recently released Mini 5 Pro, you need to stop what you're doing. The leaks we are seeing for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are not just incremental updates, they are a total hostile takeover of the professional drone market. We are talking about hardware that was, until now, physically impossible to fit into a palm-sized frame. The drone industry is currently in a state of shock because the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first sub-250-gram drone to feature a true 1-inch Stacked CMOS sensor with a variable aperture. Let that sink in. For the first time, pilots in the US, UK, and across Europe will be able to fly a drone that bypasses strict registration laws while delivering the same dynamic range as the Mavic 3 series. In this deep dive, we are breaking down the authentic hardware leaks, the revolutionary O5 transmission system, and the new AI-driven creative director that is going to change the way you film forever. The pricing strategy we've uncovered for the US market might be the biggest surprise of all. The heart of the Mini 6 Pro is the sensor. While the Mini 5 Pro brought us a 1-inch sensor, it was limited by a fixed aperture. The Mini 6 Pro is reportedly breaking that barrier. According to supply chain leaks from Shenzhen, DJI has managed to miniaturize the mechanical iris mechanism. We are looking at a variable aperture of f/1.7 to f/11. Why does this matter? If you're a Part 107 pilot in the US or a high-end creator, you know the struggle of swapping ND filters every time the sun peeks through the clouds. With the Mini 6 Pro, you can control your exposure mid-flight, allowing for that perfect cinematic motion blur without the hassle. This isn't just a mini drone anymore, it's a flying cinema camera. The processing power required to handle 5.1K video at 60 frames per second in a body this small is immense. DJI is expected to debut the Cinecore 4.0 image processing engine inside the Mini 6 Pro. This allows for 14 stops of dynamic range, putting it neck and neck with professional ground cameras. For those of you in premium markets who demand the best color grading flexibility, the leaks confirm 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG across all frame rates. This means your sunrise shots over the Grand Canyon or the Swiss Alps will have the highlight retention that was previously only possible with drones twice the size. Now, let's talk about the tech that is going to keep your investment safe. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to take the LiDAR technology introduced in the previous generation and turn it up to 11. We are looking at 360-degree Nightscape LiDAR. Most drones struggle with obstacle avoidance the moment the sun goes down. The Mini 6 Pro uses laser-based sensing to see in total darkness. Whether you're tracking a car through a forest at dusk or navigating urban canyons in New York City, this drone creates a real-time 3D map of its surroundings. It's virtually uncrashable, even in environments where traditional vision sensors would fail. Speaking of urban environments, the connection is everything. The new O5 transmission system is the headline feature for anyone living in high-interference areas. The leaks suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will utilize 5G cellular bonding alongside the traditional radio frequency. This means that even if you're flying behind a skyscraper or in a dense city center, your 1080p 60 frames per second live feed will remain rock solid. For the US audience, this is a game-changer for long-range reliability and safety. No more stuttering feeds, no more signal-lost heart attacks. But how long can it stay in the air? This is where the physics-defying part comes in. We've seen leaked images of a new high-density intelligent flight battery plus 2. While the standard battery keeps you under the magic 249-gram limit for about 38 minutes, the new Plus battery is rumored to push flight times toward a staggering 60 minutes. An hour of flight time from a drone this small was a pipe dream 2 years ago. Now, it's becoming a reality. Imagine the time you'll save not having to land and swap batteries every 20 minutes while you're trying to catch that perfect golden hour light. The intelligence of this drone is also getting a massive pro upgrade. DJI is reportedly integrating a dedicated NPU, a neural processing unit, to power what they're calling AI Creative Director. This isn't just basic active track. This is a system that understands cinematography. You can tell the drone to film a cinematic reveal of this mountain peak, and the AI will calculate the optimal flight path, gimbal tilt, and zoom to create a shot that looks like it was filmed by a Hollywood crew. For solo creators, this is like having a professional cameraman in your backpack. It's not just about following a subject, it's about understanding the art of the shot. Vertical shooting has been a staple of the Mini series, but the Mini 6 Pro takes it further. The new gimbal design is rumored to allow for a 225-degree rotation, enabling true vertical at 4K 60 frames per second without any cropping, but with even more tilt range for extreme low-angle shots. This is the ultimate tool for social media professionals in the US and UK who need high-resolution content for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without sacrificing quality. So, when can you get your hands on it? Based on DJI's traditional release cycles and the current manufacturing leaks, we are looking at an official announcement in late 2026. The pricing is expected to remain premium but competitive. We anticipate the base unit to start around $899, with the Fly More combo including the new RC3 controller hitting the $1,199 mark. While that might seem steep for a Mini, remember, you aren't just buying a small drone. You are buying a Mavic 3 Pro that fits in your jacket pocket and doesn't require a permit to fly in most recreational areas. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a turning point in drone history. It is the moment where the Mini tag stops being a description of its capabilities and starts being a description of its convenience. With a 1-inch variable aperture sensor, 60-minute battery life, and uncrashable LiDAR safety, the competition isn't just behind, they're in a different league entirely. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. We are constantly monitoring the supply chain and FCC filings to bring you the most authentic, up-to-date information before anyone else. If you're planning on buying the Mini 5 Pro right now, my advice is to wait. The leap to the Mini 6 Pro is going to be the biggest generational jump we've ever seen. What feature are you most excited about? Is it the variable aperture or that massive 60-minute battery? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, and I'll see you in the next one when more leaks drop. This has been your look at the future of flight. The Mini 6 Pro is coming, and the sky will never look the same. Stay tuned, stay tech-savvy, and as always, keep flying. This is Tap Tech, signing off. Let us know in the comments if you think the 1-inch sensor is enough to make you upgrade, or if you're waiting for something even bigger. We read every single comment, and your feedback helps us bring you the tech news that actually matters. Don't forget to check out our other videos on the latest gear hitting the market this year. See you in the next video.